What's up, guys? Today, we're going to be talking about something that's near and dear to my heart, which is being more efficient. And to that end, I'm going to share with you my 9 favorite Windows keyboard shortcuts. That was quite a mouthful. If you have some favorite keyboard shortcuts of your own, make sure to comment down below. If you like this video, like and subscribe, hit that bell notification. And if you want to check me out on Twitch, go to twitch.tv/2easilyamused. Now let's get started.
Game time.
For our first keyboard shortcut, we're going to talk about one that I use every stinking day. You're getting up to go to the bathroom, you're getting up to go on break, you're getting up to go to lunch, you're getting up to go and ask somebody a question, and you're going to use Windows key plus L, and that's going to lock your computer. Most people do a Control-Alt-Delete, and then they hit lock computer. Windows key plus L will lock your screen instantly. For the next key in our list, we're going to be talking about one of those situations where you're browsing the internet and you accidentally close a tab. And for that guy, you're going to use Control-Shift-T. And that's going to open that closed tab directly back from your history. This next one is super simple. It's simply hitting the Windows key to open up the Start menu. Now I use that as a bit of a search or to grab my most recently used applications, get them open quicker. For this one, we're going to be using Windows S, and that's going to open up Cortana, or more importantly, the Windows search function directly. It's got a great little dialog box, and I think you'll find it really useful. For my next favorite shortcut, we're talking about opening up the Windows File Explorer with Windows E. Now, that one's great. I like that one because I'm always in and out of the File Explorer. Now this one's going to require a little bit of explanation, but down on your taskbar you have a number of pinned apps. If you're at work, it's going to be Outlook and maybe Link or Skype for Business. It's probably going to be your File Explorer, Internet Explorer, Chrome, maybe the new Edge with Chromium, Firefox, whatever you have down on that bar. In order from left to right on the taskbar, they are actually numbered 1 through 9 and then 0. And you can actually open those up by hitting Win key plus the number. I bet you didn't know that one. Alright, now this one is for the power users out there because Win key plus X opens up the power user features. Gives you access to PowerShell, settings, all sorts of things that you can use if you're a power user. You novices, stay away from it. I work in IT, and a couple of my buddies were sitting around talking about how a user had noticed that he had opened up the Windows Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager. Most users know that you can go to Control-Alt-Delete to access the Task Manager. And I said, well, why didn't you simply hit Control-Shift-Escape? He didn't know about that, and neither did the guy across the aisle that was listening to our conversation. So hopefully Control-Shift-Escape is useful to you too. For our last one, this one is really complicated and very specific. And this one is going to help you when you're having graphical issues, probably during a video game or a movie or something that involves the video driver. And that is Control-Shift-Win key plus B to restart your graphics driver. Now, I hope this has been useful. Remember to like and subscribe if you liked the video. Check me out on Twitch at twitch.tv/2easilyamused, and stick around the next couple of seconds and you'll get to see a video of Daphne splashing in rain. Have a great day.